My name is Lindsay Bloom. I'm a media production coordinator. I work with online education, and I'm running the studio in a box, helping faculty to use the equipment and film their demonstrations and lectures. The Studio Box is a portable film stage. It's basically 3 GoPro cameras, lights, and a Blackmagic switcher, which allows you to switch between all the views, kind of like live editing. And you can do that through Zoom, or you can record through QuickTime. My team felt it would be a good tool for faculty to have to enrich their remote online teaching experience so that it's not just a view of a talking head for 4 hours on Zoom. Today, we set one up on the photo stage for a photography teacher named Jacob to showcase a lighting demonstration. So he's lighting a still life, and it's lovely to show, different angles so that the students can actually feel like they're on the photo stage and seeing it happening live. And so that's super exciting. And even lecturing, a faculty member named Hydran has done really interesting sustainability of design lectures using a Studio in a Box that we have installed at 1111. We are currently trying to deploy several of these kits that we have built to faculty who want to use them at home. And we're also trying to deploy them in places on campus, like the photo stage, the film stage, the print shop. We're continuing to invite faculty to come to 1111, where we have 5 classrooms now set up with Studio in a Boxes, so they can record there if they prefer. I'm sure there's myriad versions of this in other schools, but this is ArtCenter's, Studio in a Box. We coined it, so this is our version.